Wearing the color orange on USC's campus is a risk, but for the RoadSafe team, they wear it to educate college students that for road construction workers, wearing the color orange is a risk daily.
Today's wearing of the orange is why you see everybody in orange, and this honors everybody who have been killed in construction roadside accidents.
RoadSafe Traffic Systems was founded in 2007 to help with traffic control and road safety in work zones. And for National Work Zone Awareness Week, they find themselves at USC Columbia's campus to remind students that workers have families too.
You know, all of our guys out there, they have families, they have kids. You know, they're trying to enrich their life and yours.
And the RoadSafe team doesn't want students and drivers to fear construction zones, but just stay aware to help make sure everyone gets home safely.
They don't need to be nervous coming into these. They just need to slow down, be more aware.
The more that we can keep people off their phones and not be distracted behind the wheel and raise your awareness when you're around work zones, the better off we'll be.
For Carolina Insider, I'm Harrison Crawford.